Well, good morning. Today would be build day 2, but it's project day 4. And it's actually a Saturday. And it's actually raining a little bit. Anyway, today's goals will be to knock out a back wall, since it's essentially a copy of the front wall that we did yesterday, and then get one of the side walls. And then the next step after that, according to the instructions, is to assemble the front, back, and one of the sides. I think that's how that is. Anyway, and for that we're going to need some assistance. Have to call in a son or something. Anyway, so right now I'm hoping that this rain doesn't amount to much, because we don't want our project to get all wet. But the best thing is, it's actually a real Saturday, not the every day in retirement is a Saturday, which is a phrase I used to use, just trying to indicate that all the things I used to do on Saturdays I could do any day of the week. That was the point, not that you just kind of chilled out and didn't do anything. So today's a real Saturday, and it's about 15 degrees cooler than yesterday. And the rain is picking up. So I better cut this off for now and hide the cameras from the rain. See you in a bit. And I think these are oriented correctly. Okay. That's kind of nice. The big umbrella is acting as a potential rain shield. Yeah. We certainly don't need the shade today. At least at this point. Yeah. Impact drivers rock. It's kind of weird trusting myself to put these in the correct orientation. Oh, see, that one's backwards already.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Well, at least I didn't progress too far. Yeah. What's up? I'll just that. Solar panels before doing it. Okay. Yes, man. What's it? Water phase?
Yeah.
Please don't think. So now going to be the H group. I believe that's going to be the C group body and 2 here. As I'm not excited. I'm going to get ahead, okay? I'm going to close from the back house. And the group runs. And on that page, it will be 6, 10 foot group. As I said, sure. So it's 1, 6 foot group. So 2, okay, the wall is 1 for the panels. So 1, 2, 3, okay, 3. Okay, so now it's and then 6. Now 8 groups, bottoms, panels. So it's 4 groups, 3 groups. Yep. Okay. Oh, yeah, we're happy to so now we have to and makes sense. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's like that. Like it. Yeah. And the screw. The whole step. Well, guess what? It's okay. Oh, I just thought of a really horrible play on words.
Yeah.
A martial arts guillotine.
Oh.
Sorry.
Come on, come on. Now, come on, out, out.
It'll become obvious, Charlie.
No,
Uh-oh.
no tear, no tear, no tear.
Well, that couldn't have been easier, huh? Don't make him afraid of my tools.
Vroom.
Off he goes.
Oh no! Did I make you do the dog? Oh, you're making me do me, mommy. Oh no, that's sweet. Dum.
Okay, so 3 for attaching the bottom vent, 3 number 8 screws. Oh, this is the first time I get to look at all of this. Here's the number 8 by 3 screws. Good. 1188 guide spacer. I think I put them under your hat. Nope. Where did I put those?
Are they under here? Or did we just pick that? Oh, we just picked that up. Right here.
Yeah, okay. 1188, there's only 2 of them, huh?
Well, you just do it one time.
Well, I definitely will. Yeah. Okay. So it's going to be two tools per. Okay, that's it. So it's that's like Kobe. Wow. A lot more play and side to side on this one. Wow, I mean a lot. Like the top is completely out of the groove. Oh, I hope so. That might be an interesting experiment to try to adjust all that stuff. Not. There you go. What?
Yep.
Yep. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's right. That's it. That's it. Okay. Just got that. I will picture. Thank you, and we'll just go off this yeah, we do have to. Yeah. Okay, we have to go for it. That'll do it. Close. Close. Enjoy the way. No. Yeah, the hardship really close. I'll try to time to do. What was it? Hard to time. No, that was fun. And so on there. Yeah, that's it. We'll do it for now. Okay, that's hard to go. Alright, okay. Here, we should be cute. Cool. Yes? Cool. Yeah, I got it. Here's one of the so the football's outside the outside. I'm reading that. I think so. Okay, outside. And one, so I think so. So that's total. And this, correct? This is inside. Correct. That's outside. So here. So then one, so I mean, outside. So you here, correct? This is all. Come. This is inside. So a little back. Yeah, on paper. And do it up. Okay. So I'm taking the tail outside. Okay. I'll do that. No? Okay. So that's all you need. Super cool. Here? Right. Good. It's your touch. It's check great. Enjoy. Sorry. Do what's like. Okay. Okay. So this is the go here. There's a coffee inside there. So we don't. Okay, so try to get the outside there. Okay, let's go on after that. This is pretty good. That's it. Let's see, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, there we go.
It's meant to be so far over.
Okay. You know what I wish I had was some of those big carpentry clamps,
Yeah.
the big screw clamps, because then we could attach one here and here and just torque it down.
Okay, you could actually do that.
Yeah. Puts a little stress on my arm, but not bad.
Okay, but
I know, but that's going to be a challenge. Unless you want to screw it in, you only have to get it to start. Here, let's see what happens if I pull on that. Switch sides.
I was just wondering if we
Because I believe you're 100% correct. The reason that gap is there is because this end post is pushing this too far out.
Okay, will all this fit then?
I think so. all you gotta do is get that to start. Okay. I'm gonna go get the straps in the truck. And see if we can see rat straps. Okay.
You're brilliant.
Sometimes. Angle on my street. That's it. Right. Okay. Oh, try to remove it. Ooh. Good one. I think it is. We'll do that. Oh, 2 minutes. Drops it out. There we go. That's fine. Okay, are pages 37 and 38 done now?
Yes.
So hang on, you're looking through it. Covered. Covered my move. So this is oh, too far. Oh, good. Real talk. Okay, that's yeah, I think that's the time we want to take it. Yeah, we'll take it. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, you kidding me? Right? Okay. So this is probably that. Okay. Well, that was supposed to be super quick. Okay, so what is it?
There's one. There's section 4.
Okay. Okay, that's again. Do some of it. Okay. So, all right. So, with this, it's not good. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay. We still 80% so I'll have it. So, Andrew's perfect. Can you post the titles on top? Each side didn't post Andrew's, so like one side, the right side. I know, okay, so 3 quarters, 2 hanging on. We put 2 here. So now what? Maybe look, should now. Yep. Perfect. There's perfect. So that's what I got to do. It's fun. And this is it. Oh boy. Right, so the four degrees in great speech. The four challenges is 16. Okay, so I'll do it here. There, so cool. Okay, so that's it. And there's that. So I'm going to shoot. Okay. I'll lift that a little bit. So too. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Right part back. Keep that way. And so it's a hot there. This work with this pen. And you think people just for that. So so good. Yeah, so how come that? Do it separate. So I would. Okay, so just. Perfect. We don't feel right. See what it says. And so forth. And we're doing the instructions to make that. So that's what we did. It's get about roots out, you know what? That's what I do. Yeah, I got to put it on here. So the first one, I'll start with the full. Hi, away, we get out and make face, but can't see possible. See, stop. Boy. So, I said, I've got a paper there, so thank you for all the support everyone. Okay, well, that's a wrap for today's activities. What did we accomplish? We built the back wall and the two side panels. And the next steps are to actually start putting this stuff on the, out in the place where it's going to go. And we decided to stop and call it a day for today. And there you go. So day 3 of the build. Trying to catch up on my, day 3 of the build, day 4 of the project, or something like that. I can't remember. It'll be in the title. So there you go. Now we need to get some help to help us do the next steps. So we'll see you next time. Bye now.